Hi, today I will show you how to make a ringtone for iPhone. I think this is the easiest and the fastest way. Okay, for making ringtone we need like the simple program like native wave editor. You can download it. I mean, in internet it's free. Okay, then we need the file. Okay, how you know, we can use just like 30 seconds for ringtones. Okay, copy, new one. Okay, here is a lot of effects. We can make it also louder if you want. If you don't want, don't do this. Then we need to like okay, I'm using the Russian version, but you can download English version. Okay, save as. And then we need to just choose the file like MP4 or M4A. Okay, here we can put like test 5 and save. So now we'll open our file test 5. We need to just rename. We need to delete P and put R. So now it's ready. Then double click to our file. So now you can hear it's almost here in iTunes. Then we can see here, like you can see test 5. Just sign it, and that's it. Now we can use this ringtone. Okay, thank you. If you have any question, you can just write.